Tremor. Introduction. The most common form of tremor happens in otherwise healthy people. Select true or false. Correct. Tremor may happen at any age and affects men and women equally. Which of the following can worsen tremor symptoms?
Choose one of the following options.
1. Caffeine. 2. Emotional stress. 3. Tiredness. 4. All of the above. Correct. Tremor symptoms also may worsen with extreme temperatures. Is disease always the cause of tremor? Select yes or no. Correct. Disease may cause tremor, but drug or alcohol withdrawal, traumatic brain injury, and other health problems can also cause it. During the winter months only, Greg has tremor in his hands while walking to work. Is Greg likely to be a good candidate for surgery to treat tremor symptoms? Select yes or no. Correct. Greg's tremor happens when he is exposed to cold air during his walk to work, but the tremor does not affect his job. Greg is not likely to be a good candidate for surgery considering the risk of side effects.
Thank you for using Explain.